Hi everyone. Today's topic MySQL commands. I am giving introduction about SQL. SQL structure query language. In that we are going to see about DDL and DML commands. DDL means data definition language. The commands are used in DDL are create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. DML means data manipulation language. Commands are in DML are insert, update, delete. Software required. Exam, it is a open source software we can download through online. After completion of download, icon will be created on the desktop. Okay. Procedure. Step 1. The icon will be created on desktop now. Click on that exam. The exam control will open. In that you have to start the Apache and MySQL server. Okay. And step 2, click shell on the right side corner. The shell will be open. In that you have to type mysql.exe-u space root. Okay. The command prompt will be open. Okay. Now enter into the commands. First command is to create a database. To create a database, while entering into commands, you have to thorough the rules. So we can use both uppercase letters and lowercase letters. நம்ம வந்து capital letters யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், small letters யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நான் வந்து இங்க capital letter யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். சம்டைம்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்மால் லெட்டர்ஸும் மிங்கிள் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். பட் நீங்கள் எது வந்து உங்களுக்கு எது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக எது ஈஸியாக இருக்குமோ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் கமெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு. ஸோ சின்டெக்ஸ் டு கிரியேட் அ டேட்டாபேஸ். Create database name semicolon, the program create database. I am giving a database name is SchoolDB. I am giving a database name is SchoolDB. I underline that. The output is query OK, one row affected. The database is created. Okay. Next we are going to use the database. Use the database. So for that command, use database, use SchoolDB. Okay. In that data we have to store in SchoolDB. The database is changed. After that, the command is to create a table. To create a table, syntax create table name semicolon, create table name semicolon, program create table. The table name is, here I used student. Okay. So student ID, the fields are student ID, last name, first name, address, city. The data type here I used int varchar. Okay. So see the output, create table student, all the details are typed, and then after click enter, query 0 rows affected. To describe a student, syntax describe table name, program describe student. So the fields we typed now, student, last name, first name, address, city, all the fields are there. Okay. To alter a table, in that we are going to add on column, alter table name, add column, alter table name. Here the table name is student, and add we are using credit card number, and then the data type is varchar 25. So output is shown. The last credit card number is added in the table. Next, to insert values into the table, இப்போ நம்ம வந்து டேபிள் க்ரியேட் பண்ணி முடிச்சிருக்கோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we have to insert the values in the table, no? Okay, so we are insert into student. The student is table name. Okay, insert into student, that is a table name. So student id, last name, first name, address, city, values. So the student id is first 022 and last name is Ram and first name is Kumar and the address Rojanagar and city is Chennai. Okay, so one row is affected. You have to type and display the table. To display the table we are using a select command. Select star from table, select star from table. So select star from table, here the table name is student. Select star from student. What are the data we are given now? The output is shown. The student id is we given 2 and the last name Ram and the first name Kumar and address Rojanagar, city Chennai and credit card number null. Insert into other values. We want to add another one, no? Another one row we have to add means, so the output will be shown. Before that we saw only one row. Here second row is added by using the insert command. Next we have to update. We have to update by using the command update table name set column name equal to value in double quotes, where column name equal to value. Program update student set last name is Shri, where student id is 003. Student id is 003. Okay, so here see that the student id is 3. In that before the output is, see R is there, here it will be changed as Sri. Okay, have you all understand? So this is the update command is used to update the previous data. Okay, next to drop a table. To drop a table, syntax is drop table, table name and followed by semicolon. Program drop table student. The output is, so drop table student, the table name is student, so 0 rows affected, so the table will be dropped. So next we are going to drop a database, that is we are going to delete our database. Okay, drop database, database name, drop database, we are giving a database name is what, SchoolDB. So drop database SchoolDB we are giving, so affected, so database will be deleted. Again we are giving our select star from student, so no database. If the database is there we are checking, so database is not selected. So thank you for watching, kindly subscribe.